Alrighty. Talk about trading or my trading recently, the market, and what's on watch. Um, Starting off with the market. Market looked like it was breaking out of this range here. The SPY is um, over 610. It looked like it was break. Well, it did break. I guess technically it broke into all-time highs. Um, you can see the high here was 611, like on the money, 611. And this one here was 610.78. So I guess it broke into all time highs and then just completely rejected when it got there. Um, there was a lot of setups. There was a lot of stocks that looked like they needed to still set up. There was a few stocks that did have nice setups. Um, Today I took I think it was approximately 3 or 4 trades. Um, Black Sky being the best one. There were so many on watch this morning that I had. AGL. This one, I was just watching just 'cause it's not really a setup here. Fannie Mae didn't really feel like trading it. Nice little breakout here, but um, wasn't really watching it. CEG missed out on this one, kind of, not really. ICHR was also one of my top watches today. Um, NBIS, I already bought this one on a different account. Grab was also another one I was looking at. Um, Also much more, but they just didn't plan out. Like Oklo, a lot of them still need to set up. BBAI still needs some more time. Oklo, ACB pulling back to the 10. That one needs to set up still. So a lot of these still need to set up. Um, so you know, not too bad. But IONQ, which is when I was stocking for weeks, literally weeks. I was shorting it up here, shorting it, buying to break out. Just bunch of just getting chopped. I think I've probably lost like $2,000 to $3,000 on just this stock alone. And today was the day. I mean, it did exactly what I wanted. Broke down, and look, it was weak in the morning, and I drew some lines, some levels, and I was paying attention to so many other things. For example, like Archer and Black Sky. I'm sorry. Um, Oops. So Archer, I got stopped out on this one in the morning, but at 11:40. Let's see, actually, what did I buy that? 11:36. So right around here, you know, always at the top. 11:36, got stopped out, lost 400. Um, Black Sky, I'm still in. I bought it pretty late as well. I bought all these. It was just a mess. I mean, Archer, I was watching it in the morning in pre-market. I told myself if it can breaks through 11, it'll be a good buy. So, but I missed it at 11, but at 11:40, I would have got stopped at anyways. Black Sky, while I was looking, let's look at the order, sorry. So for my ACHR order, I got in at 11:36 at around 9:30, 25 seconds right when the market opened. And then for Black Sky, I got in a minute 49 seconds after the market opened. So this was a little later. Um, and this was, I think, not I think, it is the better setup, Black Sky. It's better consolidation. Not as It's very clean and linear. Archer was kind of broke out of a range. It wasn't that great of a setup. I mean, it was good. It was a good breakout, but I think it would have been better if you would have bought it on Friday last week. Um, so yeah, I think it's just a continuation, but not really anything special. Now that I'm looking at it, but I mean, if it did work, I'd probably say the reverse. Where like, yeah, it was a great setup, but I mean, I guess hindsight. But I mean, it was great in the morning. It worked. It looked like it was fantastic in the morning. It was great. I mean, I'd take this probably 10 out of 10 times. Um, I probably would. So I'd say this is good. I would personally say it's a good setup, but it just didn't work. That's the thing. It just didn't work. And then I tried it again later when it was pushing 11:40 again here. I bought some at literally, yeah, 11:42, a third of the size of what I originally went into, and my stop was like a 1090. So another loss on that one. Um, and then IO and Q. I mean, I also missed this one too in the morning because there was so many other things going on. I mean, it did exactly what I wanted it to do. If I let me show you guys my screenshot. So I'm gonna show you exactly what I wanted it to do, but I wasn't paying attention to this one. I was paying attention to so many other things. So if you look here, um, sorry. So in the morning, I wanted it to kind of push up into this area here, 36 and above. And I saw it. Actually, I saw it twice. Reject this area twice, and I still didn't pull the trigger. I saw it fail. I'll go all the way down to around 34. Something just happened in the market right now. I don't know what, but something just happened. Anyways, where's my stop for black sky? So I saw it push up to VWAP, and I saw it reject. I was like, okay, this is it. So first off, I wanted to slowly scale into this thing. So I shorted 200 shares, and then I shorted another 200 shares, and then I accidentally shorted 400, so I was in 800 shares. I was like, well, this is not what I wanted. This is not what I wanted to do. So I kind of screwed myself over. I wanted to like short up into this area here. I've seen IonQ trade obviously for weeks, and I know how it trades. It never really I think rejects that VWAP. It always pushes through slightly and then rejects. So I sorry, the market, something just happened. Some news just came out. I don't know what, but anyways, going back. So then I just didn't even give it a try here. I was scared, and I saw it reject again. I was like, nah, I'm okay. And then once it got lower, I was like, you know what? I put the text bar here. Before I left to go work out, I put the text bar here. I was like, you know what? If I were to short, it'd be here, right here at this price, right exactly where this support is. You know, it's weak already. You know, this would be a good short. But I never pulled the trigger because I was scared because I already lost before. And yeah, so uh, this is another bad trade. I didn't give it a second try or third try. I just kind of gave up on it because it's done me dirty so many times before, and I just kind of gave up. Yeah, I don't know what to say or do. I officially on a 27 trade losing streak after this, and that was a 24. Yeah, this and Archer with the two trades I did on Archer today. So this one I just completely just gave up on it. I mean, there's like this. I don't know. I mean, it's exactly what I wanted. I didn't even. I just kind of just gave up on it. It just did me dirty so many times. I just traded horribly so many times that I just kind of gave up on it. I didn't short in the morning when I should have, which is what I wanted it to do. I wanted it to come up to 36 during pre-market because I saw it here at like 35, 25-ish area, and I was like, okay, if it can come up to here, 36, maybe slightly higher, I'd short it, and I'd probably go full size short. But as you can see, I didn't do it because I was scared and also wasn't paying attention to it. I was paying attention to other things. So yeah, I mean, this is just it sucks. It is what it is. Whatever. So that was that one. Just completely missed the trade. I was looking stalking for 2 weeks, maybe since yeah, for 2 weeks basically. Yeah, I don't. Just completely lost right now. Like there's nothing's working. Nothing. I try to buy breakouts, they fail. I try to short, it goes the opposite way. I'm in a huge drawdown. The worst I think out of my whole career. Like I haven't had a single green trade. Look at this thing. So, mind you, I have 3 trade losses today, right? IONQ, ACHR, or Archer twice. Right now, let's go and count what how many these are. Ready? Check this out. Since January 22nd, almost a straight month of just losing trades. So here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I count this one because it's 15 bucks. I don't. That's just. Anyways, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. And then 3 I had today, so that's 27. 27 in a row I've lost. 27 trades in a row. I don't know. I don't know what to do. I've worked. Let's do this. Look at this. So this past since December of last year, 2024. I mean, it's barely February, but I've gone negative $700, which is gonna be more. Last 60 days, I've gone since October. I've gone down $6,000. Little over. I mean, little. I mean, I don't know. I don't know. Since October, I was up 16,000. Now I'm down to 10, and then today I've lost $875. So now it's gonna be 10 flat. So I've lost 30% more, 40% of my earnings since October. I mean, just absolutely horrendous. And I'm missing everything. There's nothing. I don't know what to do. I've taken breaks. I mean, I've not traded. It's just there's so much opportunity out here. Like Growl, I missed both times, here and here. Tem, I kind of missed here. I wouldn't say this was a good trade, but I missed it here and I missed it on the bounce here. Let's see. I missed a bunch of EPs. Palantir, GRR. I don't really say this is. I could have caught this one. I don't know where would my entry would be. Anyways, this one's still setting up. HSAI, I guess I missed it here this day. I don't know. I guess in hindsight, I haven't. Well, no, I have. I missed the root, I guess. LEU, ASTS, FRM. Okay, bros, still setting up. Anyways, apps. I missed apps. Growl. Let's look. ONQ I missed today. Orgetti I missed today. Also, Orgetti was on my watch list today too. IVVD. I don't think I would try this one. It's a little too cheap for me. But Tem, Teladoc. I saw Teladoc here. When I saw BBAI and all these other names, like health names, this is the first one that popped up in my mind. Never ended up buying it. Hood. No, I mean, I missed this one here. PDY, nothing really. BBAI, missed this one. Missed BBAI. Oklo, missed it like 8 times. ACB, missed this one too. Lightbridge, missed this one too. I mean, it is what it is. Whatever. But I mean, it's just. So if you do the math, I think I already said this before, but I'm down officially like 6,000 fully when my gains were 16. So I'm just here to complain and just to rant about myself. Nobody's here gonna listen, but nobody's gonna listen to this. So it's whatever. I guess the market needs to calm down a little bit. Hopefully these setups. Hopefully, I mean everything here that I'm watching, I really wanted to set up. Grab I just watched because I saw it gap up. NBIS. I think NBIS gained some volume because of Nvidia. ACHR. Hopefully this one can set up. CEG. This one's okay. Fannie Mae. This one's just on watch. I'm just watching these. Palantir. This needs to have a long base. GRR. I think needs to create another base again. AGL. This one looks pretty good, but it's very, very low. I mean, there's a lot of volume today, but no movement anywhere, so that's not good. Also, kind of has low dollar volume. This is also Freddie Mac. HSAI, a couple more days, I think. Fate. This one's also very, very illiquid. This one I don't even think I should watch. It's 49,000 shares traded today on $12, which is less than $500,000, I'm assuming. A little over $500,000. But even for someone like me and my size, which is 30-something thousand, it's not that great either. So I think I'm just gonna get rid of this one. I'm just gonna take off. AOT. This one looks like it's kind of setting up. Looks the 10-day needs to catch up, but RGW same thing, needs to set up a couple more days. Dave, this is a pretty good breakout. Rocket Lab tried to, I guess, break out today, failed, got rejected. Root, same thing. I think needs to set up. LEU, same thing. A lot of these names, ASTS, same thing. App, same thing. Lightbridge, same thing. All these need to set up. Yeah, I think take a break for a week or two. Whoa, I didn't even notice this today. I was just talking about this. TEM. Yeah. Yeah, so we'll see what this upcoming market has. But right now, I don't think there's anything I should be trading, to be completely honest with you. Yeah, this is kind of insane. Officially, so my equity will now be to like 35,600 when it was at 42 about a month ago. So pretty big drawdown. So let's do the math. The math is 42 to 3. Let me see. Hold on. Sorry, I'm trying to do the math. 36, 35, 6. So it's around a 15% drawdown now of my account, which is kind of big. I think I need to take a break. I'm officially, I think, gonna take a break. Yeah, it's pretty. In a month, I've lost 15% of my account. So, yeah. Well, all right. Well, I'll catch you guys.